Okay, now one by one, please come. Medico, the president of this SWC, Medico Santosh Kumar Sahu.
Vice President Medico Mukesh Kumar Malik. General Secretary
Medico Smruti Sagar Bala, very energetic person and very positive minded person. And the pain of this program, mostly the pain goes to Medico Smruti Sagar Bala, the General Secretary SWC. थोड़े जोर ताली है जो तक पाएं. Thank you.
Assistant General Medico Amit Kumar Behera.
Amit. A very good athlete also, a very good player, Amit.
Cultural Secretary Medico Rajnandini Sahu.
Rajnandini, look the beauty. Okay, from last 5 days, she is going to manage many things, and she is a very beautiful dancer. You will see the beauty in the next session. Medico Rajnandini.
Assistant Cultural Medico Adya Abhili Mahapatra.
Medico Adya Abhini, and very beautiful actor also, very intelligent student. Okay, now we are proud of Adya Abhini.
Athletic Medico B Satabdi Shekhar Patra.
Shatabdi Shekhar Patra, a very enthusiastic student, and many of the works of Principal Jammer have been done by this Shatabdi. Most of the works done by Shatabdi, very beautiful moment for Shatabdi.
Assistant Athletic Medico Jyoti Ranjan Pati.
Medico Jyoti Ranjan Pati, a very good actor also, and you see, he is a very good actor. In next session, we'll see the action of Jyoti Pati. Thank you.
General Medico Madhusmita Behera.
Madhusmita Behera, General Medico, and since last 1 month, she is very much busy for the medical journal, and the journal meet for the Golden Jubilee celebration and alumni meet to 2025.
Assistant General Medico Rajan Kumar Naik.
Medico Rajat, an energetic personality of this institute, and we give our much blessings to Medico.
Dramatic Medico Lija Tripathi.
Medico Lija Tripathi, dramatic secretary Lija. And yesterday you had seen the very beautiful drama. And she is busy with that drama. And many thanks from all the members of SWC to Medico Lija Tripathi.
Assistant Dramatic Medico Manisha Maheshwari.
Manisha, the beautiful actress. Okay, Bijuli Chula, the medical officer in that drama. Medico Manisha Maheshwari. Thank you.
Secretary SSG Medico Tarun Kumar Panda.
Medico Tarun. Tarun, the positive minded person, and the very beautiful guy, beautiful medico of this institute, and we are happy to felicitate you in this program. Thank you.
Assistant Secretary SSG Medico Soumya Samapika Sahu.
Medico Soumya Samapika Sahu, Assistant Secretary SSG. Okay, and your hard work and dedication for this program will remember with us, and we are very much happy to felicitate you in this program. Thank you.
Audiovisual Secretary Medico Pratyush Kumar Sahu.
Medico Pratyush, the very handsome guy, actually big, give a very, Pratyush Pai. Okay, the local personality of this institute. Okay, and belonging from a homeopathic family. Now we give our best regard to Medico Pratyush.
Assistant Audiovisual Medico MD Zishan Santosh.
MD Jishan. What is Jishan? The beautiful dancer actually, the slow dancer. Okay, we are very much happy and we hope in the next session you will make the amusement for everyone by your beautiful dance.
Information Wing Medico Madhusmita.
Information week Medico Madhusmita. And very talented lady, Medico Madhusmita, and all you have seen in this projector, many documentary, it is usually made by Medico Madhusmita for this program. Hope her future will remain better. Thank you.
Addition Assistant Information Wing Secretary Medico Himanshu Sekhar Mahankar.
Medico Himanshu Sekhar Mahanto. And these are the new faces actually for this institute, but their hard work, their many things, many contributions will remain forever for this institute. Thank you.
Hostel Affairs Main Secretary Medico Rajesh Kumar Jena.
Medico Rajesh. Okay, be quick Rajesh. And you know Rajesh is the opening batsman. Okay, so and he is a very clever guy actually. Okay, and what is that in his mind you can know. Okay, Rajesh, thank you.
Hostel Affairs Main Assistant Medico Satyam Satanshu Pujahari.
Medico Satyam. Very innocent guy, very silent guy, and you will find out many things just remain inside his mind, but he cannot express. And hope you will express everything, and by your expression, everyone will know about you. Thank you.
Hostel Affairs Female Medico Susri Sarita Sahu.
Medico Susri Sarita Sahu. Hostel Affairs. Thank you, Susri, and hope your future will be better. Okay, and all our blessings from the alumni and the teaching staff, the non-teaching staff with you, and hope you will be remain very playful mode in future. Thank you.
Hostel Assistant Affairs Assistant Medico Priya Kumari.
Medico Priya Kumari, and you see the beauty of Priya in dancing. Okay. So now let us congratulate Priya on this very auspicious occasion. Okay, hope her future will be better.
Hostel Affairs Female Secretary Medico Payal Parida.
Medico Payal Parida, please come to the dais. Okay, very silent and very mild temperament. And you see the beauty of Payal. Okay, and many a times she remains very silent, but she is a very voracious leader and very good student. Thank you, Payal.
From the Clinical Society Secretary Medico Chandra.
Clinical Society.
Chandra Kumar.
Medico Chandra. Clinical Society, please come everyone. Medico Chandra Shekhar Sethi. Medico Manisha Kumari. One by one. Be quick. Okay. Medico Manisha Kumari. And Medico Tasneem Akhtari. Tasneem Akhtari, please come. And these are the beauty of our institution. They are very talented students. And if you look the academic careers, then you will find the beauty.
Medico Vicky Paswan.
Medico Vicky Paswan. Where is Vicky? Okay. Vicky Paswan. Please come. Medico Chudamani Nag. Chudamani Nag, please come to the dais. And Medico Supraganjani Bhoi. Okay, she is absent today due to some reason. Okay, so now these are the students. These are the beautiful, talented students from our institution. So give a big round of applause for these students. Thank you.
The class representatives from final year Medico Deepak Kumar Panda.
The representative Medico Deepak Kumar Panda, the chair of final BHMS. And you know that all the teaching staff will know that Deepak is very punctual. That sir, today will be your class at 4 p.m. Tomorrow will be your class. There will be a class of you at anytime. So like this he will. Thank you, thank you.
Medico Sanjukta Mahanti, 30 HMS.
Sanjukta. और थर्ड पेज में संजुक्ता महाती. Thank you Sanjukta for your participation and for your preparation.